Let's talk about prime and composite numbers. Let's start by reviewing what is a factor. Well, a factor times a factor equals a product. So the numbers that you are multiplying are factors. The answer to that multiplication problem is a product. So 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 and 3 are both factors of 6. Does 6 have other factors? Well, 1 is a factor times 6 will give you the product of 6. So 1 and 6 are factors. When multiplied together, gives you 6. 1, 2, 3, and 6 are all factors of the product 6. So what is a prime number? A prime number is a number that has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. A prime example would be 1 times 7 equals 7. 7 has no other factors, so it is a prime number. A prime number only has factors of 1 and itself. So that makes 7 a prime number. Remember, prime. The I in prime looks like the number 1. So remember, prime is 1 and me. 1 times 7 equals 7. I am a prime number. My factors are just the number 1 and me. What is a composite number? A composite number is a number that has more than 2 factors. It has more factors than 1 in itself. A composite example would be 1 times 10 equals 10. Okay, what other factors can equal 10? 2 times 5 also equals 10. 10 has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. 10 actually has 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. If a number has more than 2 factors, it is a composite number. So list the factors of 8. Is it a prime number or a composite number? Let's check by making a factor rainbow. Always begin by listing 1 and the given number at the bottom of the outside arch. So here's our first arch. Okay, 1 and 8 are factors of 8. So 1 times 8 will equal 8. Can you think of another factor? How about 2 times what would equal 8? 2 times 4 will equal 8. So if we put another arch, 2 and 4 are also factors of 8. How about, now check the number 3. 3 times what will equal 8? There is no number that would make this number sentence true. Now check the number 4. 4 is already listed as a factor. This tells me that I can stop. So the factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 2, 4, and 8. How many factors are those? Is it prime or composite? It is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Now let's list the factors of 24. Is it a prime number or a composite number? So we're going to start out with the factors of 1 and itself. Okay, let's think of 2. 2, can we have like 2 times what number will equal 24? 12. So we would add that to our rainbow. 2 and 12 are factors of 24. How about 3? Is there a number times 3 that would equal 24? Well, 8. 3 times 8 would equal 24. Let's add that to our rainbow. 3 and 8. How about 4? Is there a number times 4 that will give us 24? 6. 4 times 6 equals 24. So 4 and 6 are factors. How about 5? Is there a number times 5 that would give us 24? Nope. So we would stop. 6 is already listed, so we do not have to go any further. So is 24 prime or composite? The factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. Is it prime or composite? It is composite because there are more than 2 factors. 24 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 factors. So it is composite. All right, let's continue to practice identifying prime and composite numbers. So let's list the factors of 11. Is it a prime number or a composite number? Okay, we're going to start off with the factors of 1 and itself. Okay, 2 times what will equal 11? Is there a number times 2 that would equal 11? No, there is not. How about 3? 3 times what will equal 11? No, there is no number. Is there a number 4 times something that will equal 11? No. How about 5? 5 times what factor will equal 11? No. How about 6? 6 times a factor will equal 11? No. How about 7? 7 times something will equal 11? I can't think of one. How about 8? 8 times what will equal 11? How about 9? Is there a factor times 9 that will equal 11? No. How about 10? Nope. So we're going to stop because 11 is already listed. The factors are 11 and 1. The factors of 11 are 1 and 11. Is it prime or composite? It is prime because it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. Okay, what about 23? Is 23 prime or composite? Let's list the factors of 23. Okay, we start with 1 and itself, and we think to ourselves, is there a factor times 2 that will give us 23? No, I cannot think of one. How about 3 times a number that will equal 23? Okay, how about 4? 4 times a factor will equal 23. Okay, how about 5? Okay, I don't have to check any more factors. I already verified that 6 times 2, 6 times 3, 6 times 4, and 6 times 5 do not equal 23. In fact, 6 times 5 will equal 30. That number is greater than 23, so I don't need to check any larger numbers. So the factors of 23 are 1 and 23. Is it prime or composite? It is prime because there are only 2 factors, 1 and itself. All right, let's take some more notes. Are all even numbers composite numbers? No, most of them are. Why? Most even numbers will always have an arch that starts with 1 and an arch that starts with 2. Therefore, even numbers almost always have at least 4 factors. Most even numbers are composite numbers because they can be divided by 2. There is one exception though. Do you know which number it is? 2. 2 is a prime number. It is also an even number, but it is a prime number. It only has factors of 1 and itself. So 2 is an even number, but it's a prime number because it only has 2 factors, 1 and itself. All other even numbers are considered composite because they can be divided by 2. They have more than 2 factors. So now let's talk about odd numbers. Are all odd numbers prime numbers? No. Why not? So let's list the factors of 9. 9 is an odd number. So is it a prime number or a composite number? So we start off with the factors of 1 in itself. How about 3? 3 is a factor of 9 because 3 times 3 equals 9. So the factors of 9 are 1, 3, and 9. So that is 1, 2, 3. It has 3 factors. Is it prime or composite? It is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. Are all odd numbers prime numbers? Do you remember writing the factors of 25? 25 is an odd number. So if we list the factors of 25, it's 1 in itself, and 5 times 5 equals 25. It's a composite number because it has 3 factors. Even though that is odd, it's still a composite number. Some odd numbers have more than 2 factors. Note, the numbers 0 and 1 are considered neither prime or composite. So let's list the factors of 36. Is it a prime number or a composite number? So we start off with the factors of 1 in itself. Okay, 2 times 18 equals 36. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. 6 times 6 equals 36. So the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. So 36 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 factors. So is it prime or composite? It is a composite number because it has more than 2 factors. So now let's list the factors of 50. Is it a prime number or composite number? So we start off with 1 in itself. 2 times 25 equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. So the factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50. So that makes it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 factors. Is it prime or composite? It is composite because it has more than 2 factors. So let's list the factors of 47. Is it a prime number or a composite number? Okay, we start off with 1 in itself. The factors of 47 are 1 and 47. Is it prime or composite? It's a prime number because there are only 2 factors, 1, 2, 1 and itself.